You can find a summary of everything discussed in this video on CoinMarketCap. To stay up to date on all the latest XRP news and cryptocurrency news in general, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give it a like. Now examine this. Japanese government declares plans to use XRP as a national payment system by 2025. There will be major shifts in the Japanese market. For digital currencies in 2025, when XRP will have replaced all other payment methods, in line with SBI CEO Yoshitaka Kitao's prediction that XRP will rule Japan's banking sector in 2020, Japan has recently announced that XRP will not be deemed a security. This legal victory for Ripple paves the way for widespread use of the cryptocurrency in Japan by 2025, it has been revealed that by 2025 all payments made in Japan would be done using XRP. Japan has taken a giant leap ahead in its strategy for the acceptance of digital money with this decision, which was unveiled. This follows the prior predictions made by Yoshitaka Kirao, CEO of SBI, who had predicted that XRP will see extensive application in Japan's banking sector. This initiative has propelled Japan to the forefront of the digital payment revolution, positioning it to spearhead the projected rapid market developments on the XRP ledge. The chief executive officer of SBI is betting that XRP's value will rise in Japan. Yoshitaka Kitao, CEO of SBI, said that XRP will rule the Japanese banking industry by 2025. The increasing acceptance of XRP by large organizations and enterprises that specialize in fund transfers is underscored by his prognosis. Kitao highlighted the growing popularity of the highly successful Ripple, XRapid, and Ripplenet technologies. Using these technologies has several benefits, which Kitao discussed as well. This accords with Japan's most recent decision, lending credence to Kitao's assessment of XRP's potential contribution to the updating of Japan's payment system. As part of their integration with stablecoin, Ripple Labs and launched a new stablecoin called RippleS, which is linked to the dollar. With this release, the XRP ledger becomes even more versatile by keeping its value constant and being fully guaranteed by cash reserves. Ripple uses EBI, which is issued on both the XRP ledger and Ethereum blockchains, to revolutionize cross-border payments in 2025. The XRP ledger is expected to gain a stronger position in the global financial markets as a result of this introduction, which is expected to provide numerous chances for accessibility and liquidity. The long-running legal battle between Ripple and the SEC, with Ripple ultimately succeeding in court after Judge Torres' ruling, the commission determined that Ripple would have to pay a civil penalty of $125 million instead of the $2 billion that the Supreme Court had originally demanded. This legal victory, along with Japan's announcement, gives XRP a significant boost and sets the stage for its broad acceptance in Japan by 2025. Wednesday marked the second rate hike of the year, with the Bank of Japan bid increasing interest rates by 15 basis points to 0.25. The central bank also announced plans to cut back on asset purchases. Traders expect the central bank to implement additional rate hikes later this year in an effort to rein in inflation, according to a CNN article. The rise has caused the interest rate disparity between the US and Japan to narrow, which has boosted the value of the Japanese yen compared to the US dollar. The value of $1 in relation to the Japanese yen has dropped by 0.005 since mid-last month. Also, it was the first time since January that it fell below 36,000. The subjects as a whole experienced their lowest day in years, ending at 2,000, with a larger drop of 6.14. Following the banking crisis in Japan, the price of XRP dropped. Although XRP had a strong July, its price has remained low in recent days. Unable to break the 7-cent mark, stakeholders are worried about XRP's continued underperformance in the cryptocurrency market as a whole. It would suggest that the continuing banking crisis in Japan is associated with the sharp drop in prices. This is especially true for Japan's banking sector, which has been reeling since the central bank started meddling in the foreign exchange market in the middle of July in an effort to stop the yen's decline in value. I was trying to target lightweight hedge funds by keeping the foreign exchange rate hanging around 162 yen, but the currency suddenly dropped to about 157 yen. The Bank of Japan also took similar measures against large-scale speculators, forcing them to sell their assets in harsh liquidations. This had an effect on the asset managers when brokers began making massive sales. Japan has taken a heavy hit since several big Ripple Labs and XRP partners have set up shop there, including SPY Holdings, Mitsubishi, IFJ, and others. As a result, investors are selling their XRP holdings to stay afloat, which has led to a large dump of XRP shares onto the market. This has created a bullish rise for XRP. Despite XRP's bullish predictions, this may be a major factor in the asset's recent price drop, according to analysts. The cryptocurrency has spent the last 6 years consolidating within a symmetrical triangle, a pattern that frequently precedes a bullish surge. Investors in the XRP community are anticipating a price spike that would cause XRP to reach a value of 9 cents to $1. As things stand with the Japanese financial sector, it looks like XRP will have a tough time breaking past these barrier levels. By the time this text was written, XRP had fallen an unprecedented 5.257 cents in the previous 24 hours. It is clear that XRP has separated itself from the overall cryptocurrency market because its daily gains have surpassed those of all other significant assets. Over the course of the prior day, XRP's price jumped 20%, reaching $0.64 on Thursday before slightly retracing to $0.61. This happened at a time when the market as a whole was struggling. Thanks to the persistent uptrend, the cryptocurrency XRP has made an incredible 42% gain in a month. Only a small number of wallets, known as whales, have accumulated such a large quantity of tokens that they can back the positive trend, thereby breaking the previous record for the total number of tokens in circulation, a 23% increase in XRP's overall market value over the past 24 hours is indicative of the bullish indicators surrounding the cryptocurrency. This rapid growth has occurred at the same time as a massive accumulation by whales, according to the latest results of Sandiment. We now have an all-time high of 7.6 billion coins, worth at roughly 4 billion, among wallets that hold 1 million to 10 million tokens on the XRP ledger. This collection of whale corporations has shown increasing faith in the asset by amassing over 662 million XRP in August alone. Moreover, the market cap has grown due to the accumulation of whales, increased social engagement, and a meteoric rise in the number of XRP-related discussions on social media, which have hit all-time highs since January 30th. The subsequent price increase caught potential traders unaware, according to statistics provided by CoinLess. The fact that XRP short positions valued at $7 million were liquidated in the previous 24 hours is evidence of this. Conflict between Ripple and the SEC. New York federal judge's 3-year securities case against Ripple Labs is nearing a conclusion. Business leaders see this as a major win for their industry and are rejoicing in the news. After the judge's ruling, the mood has turned around for the better.